All right, so today I'm just showing you guys what my rims look like. Originally, I had shown a few videos of it being delivered. They were ordered from Japan, and they had a little curb rash on it. And so what I did is I sent it to a shop in San Jose. They did a great job at powder coating it. However, um, I think like I wanted to maintain the original championship white, but powder coating, they use prismatic powders, and obviously they don't have the same paint codes as OEM. And so what they did is they had me choose a set of paint colors, and in the forums, one of the guys had just mentioned that he tried to do the same thing. He wanted to keep championship white, and he went through the catalog and decided on the paint code, and he discovered that RAL 9010 right over here is the closest to the championship white paint color. When I compared it, obviously these are a little more scuffed up and used. These are the original kind of center caps for the Integra Type R DC5 in red and championship white. When you compare it next to each other, they're pretty close. But I'm not sure if this is older and this is just a new kind of sample. That this seems a little bit kind of whiter or brighter. I'm not sure if you can see that up close. So I still took the risk, and I had it powder coated with the shop that uses the Prismatic Powders paint code RAL 9010, and it ended up happening that it turned out to look really nice. So I can go ahead and bring this rim here over to you guys. What I've been doing is I'm going to eventually put tires on it, but right now I'm just kind of just putting one coat of ceramic coating that I have here, the Armor Shield 9 from Avalon King. Turned out pretty well. I'm putting one coating on each rim, and then I'm going to get it, tires put on it, and then I'll just kind of do another coating before I put it on the car. But again, this is the sample coat of RAL 9010. It's super white, and when I put it against it, you can already see a difference there. The coating of the wheels has that more of a cream tone than this sample. So even the sample, I mean, they said it was RAL 9010, and both of them are. I guess it just looks different when it's on the rim. So the great thing is with the OEM center cap, which is what I didn't get coated either, and I put it next to the rim. If you guys look at it, it looks like championship white. It looks great, and so no complaints, and I'm super happy with it. Powder coating is supposed to be a little bit better. They fixed all the curb rash. Powder coating, lasts longer than just kind of spraying on the paint. Hopefully there's no chip marks. It's been sitting in my office for the last 2 months, so it's probably cured already. My car is not ready yet. The RSX is still kind of being worked on from the body shop, and I wanted to put these rims on when it's done. And so just waiting on that right now. But wanted to show you guys what the rims look like before I get it. Before I put tires on it. This is the last time we're going to see it bare naked in kind of this just kind of rim form. They were really cool. If you saw one of my previous videos, but I can describe it. Only the top part was powder coated in championship white. The original rim had a little curb rash, but the back side was over here was all just metallic, and I think just exposed metal. And from the previous DC5 driver in Japan, they had a lot of probably rust on their brakes, so you see a bunch of rust across the side, or the residue from it. And so they stripped it down and they painted it. They didn't paint this like perfectly, but this is gonna be covered by a tire. But they covered this whole section with powder coat material. So it looks great. It's ready to be mounted to the car. It needs tires. I'm looking for a shop to mount my tires right now, but this is ready to go. This has been through one coat of ceramic coating, so this one's ready to go. The other three I need to kind of ceramic coat soon, and then it'll be ready to be sent to the shop, and then I can go ahead and put tires on it and just kind of wait for the car to come back so I can mount them. So yeah, I just wanted to talk about that, show you guys kind of my process and what I've done in restoring these rims to pretty much brand new. And you know, my discovery of, like, if you want to get your rims power coated in championship white, this is probably the closest from it, and the sample just doesn't do it justice from what the rims actually look like now. So that's pretty much it. You know, I can go ahead and take off this little cover here. I got these little rim covers just to protect it from being scratched, especially when you put 4 of them in the car. They kind of move back and forth, so I just wanted this to protect it. But yeah, this is just kind of what it is right here. Little nice protective material there, but this is the other rim. And they all look good. This one's been ceramic coated, which has some clear protective layer that we all barely can see. And then same center cap on this side. Just gonna lift it up so y'all can see. Nearly identical. So super happy with the results. All 4 rims look great. You know, I haven't seen, haven't done power coating before, but you know, I'm really happy with the results. If I ever have a reason to recoat tires, I'm going to use the same shop. They were really great. They had a quick turnaround. I wasn't really looking, about a week and a half, but I wasn't looking for it to be done fast. Just wanted to be done right. And this is the result of it. So I'm going to go ahead and ceramic coat these things, and then we'll go from there. So here we have the 4 DC5 Integra Type R rims, just kind of sitting here. They're drying from being ceramic coated earlier today, and we're just gonna let it sit here, and then I'm gonna apply another coat in the morning, and then later when it's ready I'm gonna bring it to the shop to get tires on. But they look great. They have been power coated championship white, as I mentioned before. Actually power coated to RAL 9010, and that's just kind of like the color code as close as it can be to championship white. But you know, just looking at it here, they look amazing. Look at that. Anyways, we're ready. We're just gonna let it do its thing, and we'll go from there.